Hey everyone, welcome back to the Science Girl. Every winter, air pollution in and around Delhi shoots up, and so does the price of air purifiers. So today we are going to do something simple and fun. Building our own DIY air purifier and learning how it actually works. For this, I ordered a cylindrical HEPA 13 filter and a powerful fan. That's literally all we need, and once our DIY purifier is ready, we will test the air quality before and after using it to see how well it works. A commercial air purifier has just 4 main parts. A filter, usually HEPA plus carbon. HEPA traps tiny particles like PM2.5 while carbon removes odors. A fan that pulls dirty air through the filter and pushes clean air out, a housing body to hold everything together, and usually an air quality sensor to show how clean the air is. So let's get started. Place the filter upright. Put the fan on top blowing upwards. And now seal it so that there are no air leaks bypassing the filter. And our DIY air purifier is ready. But science relies on facts, so let's test how effective this really is. I have removed the filter of my existing air purifier so we can use its built-in sensor to show air quality. This is a 200 square feet room and I let some outside polluted air flow in. Let's switch on our DIY air purifier and the AQI sensor. Right now, the sensor is detecting room's AQI. As you see, AQI is in red zone. Let's close the door and check back in a couple of minutes. After around 13 minutes, the sensor is showing orange light, meaning air quality has started improving. And just after 40 minutes, the sensor turned green from red. It clearly works as effectively as a commercial air purifier. You can also see the smoke getting sucked inside the HEPA filter. So this is our DIY air purifier. Super cheap, super simple and surprisingly effective. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel.